Show how to calculate 5 3/4 plus 1 2/3 in two different ways. Okay, draw a line here so we can do two different ways. So first way, 5 3/4 plus 1 2/3. My first way is going to be to convert to improper fractions. So we have this little method where you can do 5, do the whole number times the denominator plus the numerator. So 5 times 4 is 20 plus 3 is 23. So this is 23/4 plus 3 5/3. Okay, now I need a common denominator. So I'm going to have 23/4 plus 5/3. And my common denominator is going to have to be 12. So I'm going to multiply by 3/3 and 4/4. So 23 times 3, that's 69/12. Plus 20/12 is 89/12. And if I want to write that as a mixed number, I have to think about how many times 12 can go into 89. So how many sets of 12 are there to make 89? Okay, well, I know that 7 times 12 is 84. So I know I've got 12 can go in 7 times, and there would be 5 left over. So 7 5/12. Okay, another way to solve this problem would be to use grouping. So I'm going to do 5 3/4 minus 1 2/3. And I'm just going to look at the fractional parts. I want a common denominator, so I'm going to make these 12ths. Okay, so this is going to be times 3/3 and times 4/4. So this becomes 5 9/12 minus 1 8/12. And right, sorry, I forgot I'm adding here. Okay. So 9/12 plus 8/12 is 17/12. And 5 plus 1 is 6. And then 17/12, I can say, well, 12/12 makes a whole. So I'm going to give a whole to the whole part of the mixed number. And I will have 5 left over. 7 5/12.